Want to know how to create a Remitly account? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your web browser and type in remitly.com on your web browser and you should be directed to this website right here. So once you're onto this website, on the top right side you should be seeing sign up or login right here. So right beside login you should be seeing sign up. Just simply select it. And now once you have selected sign up here, you should be seeing your Remitly profile. You can just simply add a email address, password, or just simply scroll down until you see continue with Google or continue with Apple. Just simply select it, any one of these two. And once you have selected it, here you can just simply set any Google account that you want. Select continue and you should simply be signed in and your account should be created in Remitly. And that's it. Super simple and easy. This is how you easily create an account in the Remitly application. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.